Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports multi-screen, check settings, or quick panel options. Once done, clear background apps so performance stays smooth, then open the two apps you want to view together. On Android, tap Recent Apps and locate the first app. On iOS, prepare Slide Over or Stage Manager if available. Make sure both apps are logged in and responsive. This prevents freezes when you place them into split screen. Now proceed to place the first app into split mode. You now activate split screen and arrange apps for tasks. On Android, drag the app to the top or choose the split icon. On iPad, use Stage Manager or slide over gestures to position the second app. Once arranged, grab the divider to resize, make one half larger for active typing and the other for reference. Make sure to test touch and keyboard input in both panes. If you need a quick switch, tap the app's header to swap sides, which preserves context while changing focus. To finish, close split screen by dragging the divider fully to one edge or using the app header's exit control. This returns you to single app view. If an app becomes unresponsive, force close and reopen it. If problems persist, reboot the device and check for OS or app updates. Make sure the apps support multi-window, some block it by design. If you still see issues, toggle developer or display settings that affect multi-window. One troubleshooting tip: restart the device first. Most issues clear immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.